Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a short video about these Gwyn heavy duty tie rods for the Discovery 2. Um, so I bought my Discovery 2. It had a lot of stuff done to it, but the guy I bought it from really was less than helpful. He didn't tell me about anything, didn't give me any records. I know. Probably shouldn't have bought it, but I did. And so it is what it is. So the tie rods are done on this one, and probably could have pulled it all apart and looked it up and matched it and everything, but I decided to go with the Gwyn Sumo Bars, and I have them over here. They're not installed yet. This is the drag link, and it's stainless steel. Let me get that out of the way here. And you can buy two different tie rods. You can buy their other set, and then you can get these heavy duty ones. And since I'm running 37-inch tires and I'm going to go to 35s, still that's a lot of unsprung weight, and I figured I would just go with the heavy duty. Unfortunately, the heavy duty they come with a rubber boot, and they recommend that you use a polyurethane boot. Also, they come unpainted, so I painted them with this Rust-Oleum that comes with a primer. So I put about 3 coats of it on there. So the first thing you have to do, and the reason I'm doing this video was that I was like, how do you get the boot on? Because it was really tight. So I kind of fiddled with it, and I figured it out, and I figured I'd just throw it up on YouTube and show you. So one of the things you have to do, you use a little screwdriver. Where's the camera? There's the camera. A little screwdriver, and then you have to take this retaining clip out, and you have to spin it out. Okay. Let's try it again. So you use the easiest thing is just to get it started with the screwdriver, and then you just pull off. And then another thing that I did was I just spin this old one off. So it just pops off pretty easy. And then this is the new urethane boot. And what I figured, I was like, how do you stretch it over this? Can you see that right there? There's like a lip, there's a channel, and that has to go over that channel. And I was like, how the heck do you get that over there? And so what I started doing is I just came out to the garage. Did you see that? Look at that again. So I spun it. Well, now it's not working. Okay, let me try that again. Okay. There it goes. I just spun it on a little bit, and then you keep going and feeding it on. So there's going to come a point where the resistance and the tightness of the boot, it won't come on, it won't go all the way on. So what I do is I take the little screwdriver and I just get it in there, and I bring it over the last little bit right there. Okay, so you can see. You can see that I got it on there, all the way on. And then you just put the clip back on, kind of doing it the same way you did before. And what I found with this clip is that it's kind of useful actually to once you get it on there, let's see if, so I kind of spin it on, but notice how I have my thumb holding onto it right there so it doesn't pop back out. And then I spin it around. So that's the first one. And now it wants to come off. I'm just using my finger to kind of bring the rest of it around there. Now it's back on. I don't know if I caught that. Maybe I was moving too much for you to see it, but you just spin it back on using the screwdriver. It's not very difficult. Anyway, I hope somebody finds this. Here, let me put this back up. Okay. I hope somebody finds this useful. Maybe just instead of just like getting frustrated and ruining your boot because you got frustrated, like I probably would do. But instead, I just sat down in my garage. I took a deep breath and I just relaxed. Sometimes you have to walk away from something for it to actually make sense. You maybe think about it over, take a sleep on it, and then the solution comes pretty quick. Anyhow, if you watched this and it was helpful, even if it wasn't helpful, I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.